Okay, we didn't get to work on this yesterday. We had some rain and storms. So this was our makeshift protector, not let it blow away design. Anyway, and remember how I had this all cleaned up? Look at it now. I told you guys it wouldn't take long for it to get back dirty. And that's definitely true. But anyway, Gary's gonna get this removed. He actually screwed it to it, so we'll get it removed and get started on doing some stuff. We went and picked up supplies yesterday at Lowe's, so we can probably start replacing some of these rotted boards. Under there is the board, some of them that we bought yesterday to work on this. We put them under there to keep them out of the rain. But yeah, we got quite a bit of rust going on in that wheel well. And of course, that's in bad shape. We had a storm, so we didn't want the siding to blow away, so that's why we put that in there. And Gary has got the roof propped up. This is a super short video because we got a late start this morning and the sun come up. It was just so hot out there, it was miserable. We just couldn't continue. But we will be back probably tomorrow with another video. Thanks for watching, guys.